Okay, today we are doing a lesson on R blends, but first we have to go over a few words. If I were to ask you what your initials are, what would you say? Alright, for instance, very good. His initials are DH. Well, we wonder, why are those his initials? They are his initials because they are the first and the beginning letters of his name. Another word for initial is first or beginning. So today we're going to learn about initial sounds. But first we have to blend. How do we blend things together? For instance, if you were making a milkshake, you would blend milk and ice cream together. You would blend two things together. Or you could blend colors. For instance, if I had blue, and then you took yellow, it would blend together and it makes green. But today we're not going to be blending colors, we're going to be blending letters to find the initial sounds. So for instance, if you had these two letters, F and R, they would blend together and make the fr sound. Alright, now I'm going to ask you, what two letters do you see here? G and R, very good. And they would blend them together, and what sound would they make? What two letters do you see here? B and R, you would blend them together or put them together to make the brr sound. And the same thing happens here. You take T and R and blend them together, and it would make the tr sound. The same thing would happen with the C and the R in crab. The same thing that would happen with the P and the R in pretzel. And the D and the R in drink. You blend the two letters together to make one initial sound. What does initial mean again? It means beginning sound, or it's the first sound in the word. Now I'm going to ask you to take a piece of paper and fold it vertically. And you may ask, what is vertically? You would fold it long ways for this lesson, okay? Or you can fold it in half like a hot dog. So vertically is folding it in half like a hot dog. Blending is when you put two things together, and initial means first or beginning.